YouTube, it's your boy Champagne J, man, back again with another video. I figured I'd just do a POV drive, talk to y'all. You know, since this is going to be the new piece of content on the channel. Don't mind my steering wheel, I need an alignment, so don't mind that. Like, my alignment is very off, so that's why my steering wheel is crooked. But this is the POV of the new G37 Coupe. She's running good with the new motor. And I also forgot to tell y'all from my last video. That I bought this car for $900. I bought it clean title, one owner, for $900. The person said it had an overheating issue. So with VQs, we have an overheating issue. It's usually the one of these hoses. It's either the hose on the back of the motor, like behind the motor, or it's like a fucking coolant reservoir hose, like in the front or whatever. Like, it's nothing crazy. So I got that swapped out. Ended up not being that. Ended up being a gallery gaskets. And you know, I called him. I hit up my boy that works at a local VQ shop. Shout out to SDR Pro. If you live in Houston, definitely recommend them. And they quoted me for like $2,900 to place the gallery gaskets, and it should be running perfectly fine. And I'm like, I'd rather not. So I ended up buying a motor for like $700. Had like 60K on it. The dude, I bought it from the dude. He was gonna put it in his Z, but he ended up selling the Z. So I just bought the motor, picked it up. Me and my friend that used to be my friend, we picked it up or whatever. He said he was gonna get the car swapped out in about a week max. I was all right, bet. Now, mind you, I've known this dude for like 5 years, bro. So I'm taking his word more than anything. I'm like, all right, bet he's gonna get it done in like a week. Bet. Week goes by, car's still sitting in the same position, bro. Like, it's still like not, like, the motor's not even out the car. Like, it's bumping, like, it's just sitting on jack stand. I'm like, what the fuck? Week goes by, so a week turns into a month turns into another week. So it's like a week and a half. Damn near 2 months, bro. So I hit up the dude that I bought the motor from. I was like, yo, could you swap? Like, you know how to swap with the whoop? He's like, yeah, I got you. So I got the car towed from my other friend's house. That's a whole other story. But we're not friends no more because that was just ignorant. But anyway, I got it towed to the dude that I bought the motor from, his house. He got it finished in about a week. So now, as you can see, she's running. She's not overheating. You know, that's a common issue with VQs, overheating issues. But she's running good. Yeah, man, I have no complaints, bro. She's just bone stock, quiet as hell. I don't even have a tint on this phone, bro. Like a fishbowl. You know, I can't stand driving the car with no tint. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick little POV of it. This is definitely the new whip for the channel. So, you know, I hope y'all boys enjoy that, and stay tuned for the content, man. It's gonna be a lot of dope ass content. I'm gonna get back outside with the car shit. Go to meets, take y'all along a ride for anything meets. All parts that I'm gonna put on this car is gonna be captured on camera. I'm gonna put everything on camera. All the parts that I put on this car is gonna be captured on camera and everything. So we're gonna make sure that I get everything on camera for y'all, so y'all can get a real legit, you know, just a real legit POV standpoint from this car, from stock, bone stock, to how it's gonna be when, you know, when I get it done in my eyes. So I appreciate y'all boys, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. What this guy doing? Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. And it's your boy Champagne J. Stay tuned for more videos, man. Promise you. The next thing we're gonna do is get tinted. I gotta get tinted. Like, it's mandatory. Hopefully sometime this week I can go to my boy and get tinted. But yeah, man, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the videos. Appreciate y'all boys, and it's your boy Champagne J. I'm out.